I am Biterbeck, and welcome to No Man's Sky tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get your multi-tool weapon upgraded for maximum damage. Alright, let's get going, shall we? Alright, I am here on my PS4 save at the shitty, and I happen to have a multi-tool, but I'm going to show you where to get the upgrades. So first let's talk about that's the wrong button. Let's talk about the wrong button. Let's talk about the your multi-tool. I happen to be using this one here, the theoretical voltage elevator. Okay. And right now my maximum damage potential is 9,556.1. Because I have some really good upgrade modules. So your damage is based on the most powerful weapon in your multi-tool. And that happens to be the Scatter Blaster. It doesn't matter what multi-tool you have, the Scatter Blaster is your strongest weapon. Does the most damage. It's short range, but it does a lot of damage. And all your other weapons that you install are kind of based off that. They don't do as much damage as the Scatter Blaster, but the entire damage potential of your multi-tool will be that. So I'm currently up to 9,556.1. I'm going to try to see if I can roll some better upgrades for my multi-tool. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So how do you do that? Let's go back in my bag that I closed just a second ago because I'm a dummy. So you need to get these Scatter Blaster modules. Where you get them from is in the space station. You can also find some X-Class from the guys running around, but I don't think I've seen any other weapon other than either the little crappy pew pew one or the big laser. I can't think of the name of it. The big stupid laser. What is the laser? Do I have a tool with the laser in it? Stupid PS4. If I was on a PC. Anyway, I won't get started. I'll let it go. Okay. I have two. Let's take a look at this. Whoa. Let's see what this one is. The parallel ASIVAC injector. This is the official tool of the Damash Smash Hub. So let's see. Where are my weapons? Oh, well, we got a Scatter Blaster in this one too. I should re-roll this one. Now, the max damage really also, well, not really, but also depends on the weapon type. Your standard weapon, the regular ones that you find in cabinets, I think they max out at about 8K. So you won't do any more damage than 8K. I'm on permadeath and I almost died. Doing a tutorial, how embarrassing. I'm trying to head over to my ship. I don't know where my ship is. Oh, there it is. What are you? Okay, you're fine. Do you mind not blocking me, bruh? I'm trying to get out of here. Yeah, so for your regular standard weapon, max damage is 8K. For an experimental multi-tool, like the official Damash Smash Hub weapon, or multi-tool, that one, the max damage is a little over 9,000. It's over 9,000! Yeah, it is. It's over 9,000. As you can see in my tool, 9,104.1. I can get this higher. If we look at the modules, and the damage potential is based on the fire rate. So for this particular upgrade, the fire rate is 11%. What's the next one? That one is 13%, and this one is 12%. So this is the odd man out, and this is the lowest one in here right now. So I could take one of the ones that I have and go over here. So I could open this, drop it in, see what I get. Now, it's random every time, so you have to be extremely lucky. I currently have 9 of these, so I'm gonna start with my strongest weapon and then move to the others if I have some left. All right, but I'm gonna go up to the space station real quick and show you where they are. They're with the weapon vendor. And I hope I don't get jumped by pirates in this ship because I don't have any weapons on it. Okay, so many Scottish rod bases, so little time. Because now on the PlayStation I can see all the bases, well, all the PS4 bases. And in the Smash Hub, currently where I'm at, there are a lot of bases. Okay, I've gotten close enough. Now I can target that. I'm gonna go look at the vendor, see what he has. Now, the weapon upgrade availability is not based solely on system class. So, like, this is a tier 2 system. You know, that's just for ships. What they sell, I don't know what that's based on. I have no idea. Zane might know. Yeah. So, you know, I'd find out from him maybe. But, yeah, I have absolutely no idea. I always do that. Every time. Up, up, and away. Okay, so here's the weapon dealer over here. Here's your weapon upgrade. If you got some nanites, you can upgrade your weapon just like you upgrade a ship. Excuse me. Now, see, there's a standard weapon there. Memories of Infinity. And it is an ugly little thing. Looks like a duck. I got a duck gun. I wonder if it quacks when I shoot it. It's quack, 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 quack. Let's talk to the little guy. Oh, not the little guy. God damn this control. Okay. You talk to this guy here. The multi-tool merchant. And we can see what upgrades he has. Okay, so let's see. These are C class. Go down. There's your A class. He has pulse splitters and scanners. There's scatter blasters in C. And he has one S class mining beam. So he ain't got junk. Except this. Blaze Javelin. That's the, I couldn't think of the name. Blaze Javelin. Yeah. That, I mean, it looks like it does a ton of damage, and maybe it does. But its damage, when you put that in first, your weapon is based off of that, and it's not very high. It's the scatter blaster that gives you the high damage. Alright. So, that's how you, that's where you find them, from the weapon dealer over here next to the cabinet. Do I have any pugnium on me? Let's see what he has to sell. Hello, scrap dealer. Why you got your drawers on top of your pants? That's just a silly look. Let's see. Purchase old scrap. What you got? What you got? Suspicious mining beam. When I buy these, I look at how much it costs. That's kind of a gauge to find out how much, if it's worth it or not. This one is only 341 pugnium, so I wouldn't trust it. Contraband. Suspicious packet of goods. Nope. Suspicious packet of technology. No. This one I'd try out if I had the pugnium on me to do it. I don't have the pugnium on me anyway. Alright, so let's start rolling these out. I gotta switch back to the other weapon. Go here. Right, now go ahead and open up my bag. And let's get this one out. Drop it in. See what it is. And it's booty. So we're gonna dismantle it. And so you just want to keep dropping one in until you get one that's good for you, that has a high fire rate. Well, we're looking for something over 11%. And it's okay that it breaks your technology, because you'll remove the lowest one. Burst cooldown fire rate 13%, and that's a winner. So we'll take this one out. Bye bye. Oh, and he's in the wrong place anyway. So remove that one. Okay, so right now, before I move it into place, my damage potential is 7,980.9. So I'm gonna move. I had two 11%ers in there? What? Wow. Alright, let's move this over. 9,787. 0.6. So that is a nice little boost. Let's see. Let's do another. Alright, here we go. Drop this one in. And this is fire rate of 11%. You can go away. And let's do it again. Now, it's really sad that it's wasteful like this. And if you want to undo what you have done, you need to reload your autosave and try again. Because this is all RNG. And the RNG gods either smile or frown. Sean giveth, Sean taketh away. And yet he has taken away another. He has taken away another module. So we have to keep looking. Yeah, get back in there. Alright, let's see what this one is. Perfect heat pump. And we get 12% fire rate. It's 1% better than this 11% fire rate. It's 12. It's a 12. Oh, it's a 13. Alright, so let's take out this 11. Drop that in there like that. Bang. Okay, my damage potential is now 9,943.5. But alien weapons? Oh, I never finished that. Alien weapons do the most damage. They can get up to 10k damage. Regular weapons do 8k max, around there. A little more. And experimental weapons do, you can get up to these 9,000. I don't think it can go over 9,000. Looks like it stops around 9.6. So with this alien weapon, you want to get that 1 more %. So I have two 12s and a 13. I'm going to try for another in just a second. So where are we at? I'm over here moving the mouse around. Okay, let's see here. I need to get another module. Okay, I'm down to 3. So here we go. Install. And what does this give us? No, another 11. Sean is punishing me. Okay, here we go. What do we got here? %. Holy crackers. So 13, 12, 12. I can take this 12 out. And I have them arranged like this. And you always want to put your lowest in between these two on the end. So since I have an 11 here, or I have a 12 here, this one's a 13, so it's higher, so he stays there. This one is an 11. No, this one's a 12. So this one's gonna go. Bye-bye. And we're gonna move this one over here. This 15. And our damage is going to be 10,204.4. Goal accomplished. Yeah, that wasn't hard. These cost nanites, so you want to have a good healthy supply of nanites before you go shopping. If you don't find any modules, just check all the systems that you visited, stop in, take a look. So now my damage potential on this alien multi-tool is 10,000 and change. Nice. I'm gonna go save, actually. I want to keep that. I am pleased. I am pleased. The Murray is pleased. Praise Sean. Sean giveth, Sean taketh away. So, let's see if we can get something good for the, dang it. Out of these last two, let's see if we can get something good for the other multi-tool. And go here, and go over here. Oh, I didn't check this one out. Let's see what this one is. Yarb's Reflex Hunter. Let's have a look at that tool. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my god, it's pink. My feelings are hurt. That's not a light red, that's a pink. I got a pink gun with teeth on it. Ah, embarrassed. Okay, what do we have here? 13, 11, and a 14. So if I replace this 11, that should give me a better, bigger number. We can see how high we can get. I think it's going to be like 9.6 if I get a good one. So let's go for it. Wait, what is it right now? I went too fast. 9,300. Okay, so let's try it. Just got 2, and if I don't like it, I can get these 2 back with a reload. Just drop it in. Ah, another 11. Boo. And delete. And let's do the last one. See what we get. Just drop it in. 14%. Holy smokes. So I have two 14s and a 13. All right, let's see what that does. All right, I'm gonna remove this 11 and move this one over. Now that pushed this to 19.5. Wait, is that the highest one? 14, 14, 14, 13. Okay, let's move that over here. Move you there. And move you over here. Let's see what that does. No, same thing. All right, so 19.5. So it went up 300 points in damage, which is good. So yeah, they maxed out at about 9,600. So you get 400 more points of damage with an alien weapon, which is kind of cool. That is pink. I am so hurt. I just sworn that was red. That is pink as all get out. My goodness. That is it for this tutorial. I want to thank you very much for watching. This has been very fun. I hope you learned something. Thank you, and I'll see you again next time on another NMS tutorial. Take care and be well.